Hi students, welcome to chemistry online classes. Today I want to discuss about the hydrocarbon in the one topic name is alkane. This is CET, NEET, JEE Mains level. I will discuss nearly 30 questions with this. All concept will be covered of alkane concepts. Now, which of the alkane is synthesized? All these are alkanes from single alkyl halide by Wood's reaction. We know the Wood's reaction, what is that? RX plus Na plus XR. This is same alkyl halide taken 2 times. Then this is also 2 times. Then in presence of dry ether solvent, this will be eliminated as NaX. Then which is formed here? RR mean alkane. NaX 2 moles eliminated. Now the formed alkane is which one? Even number carbon alkane. Even number carbon alkane is there, then only we can take the single alkyl halide. If it is odd number is there, mean compulsory different alkyl halide required. So first you have to count the number of carbon in the given option. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbons meaning this is odd number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Even number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Odd number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is which one? Even. Then answer may be which one? B option, D option, but not A and C. So we can eliminate this option. A is not, C is not. Okay, and this is which one I told here, this symmetrical alkane. Whatever the formed alkane is which one? Symmetrical. So keep in mind this alkane is symmetrical and that is having even number of carbon. This is we know in the Wood's reaction, everyone. Now if you cut, this is symmetrical or not? Symmetrical. It means these are two equal halves, mirror image to each other. But if you cut like this is also mirror image. Clear? If you cut like this, then how it is? Equal half. Then this is also looking like the symmetrical. Then which is the correct answer? Single correct answer question these are. Therefore, if you divide this like, then here X, then 2Na plus X bond like this, then what is formed? The given alkane is formed, possible. Now if you cut like this, how to cut this? Cut like this. 1, 2 carbon and this is also carbon. Then we have to cut here, not equal cutting, like half of not possible, no? Alkyl halide. If you do like this, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many carbons are there? 8. 8 carbon. But how many are there here in this? 6. Then this is wrong only. Got the point? Then we have to cut. How to cut? This is like this we have to cut. Like this we have to cut, meaning it is symmetrical or unsymmetrical? Otherwise cut like this means this is unsymmetrical. So this is not the answer. See how this question they framed. If this is given as a here, if it is given here, then what will answer? This is only your answer because it look like symmetrical, even number is there, no? Anyway, it is last is there, that's why somebody when answer is coming, then they will not see the next option. But this is only given first, this is given here, then your answer which one? This is only. So like this we have to think very clearly. We know the concept. What is the concept? Even number symmetrical alkanes are formed. Then single alkyl halide means that should be same required to form the given alkane. That is very important. So answer is which one? B, not D. So this is B. Now, in the electrolysis of concentrated aqueous solution of potassium propanoate, see, CH3, CH2, C double bond O. Okay, this is potassium propanoate. 3 carbons are there, propanoate. Electrolysis means this is Kolbe electrolysis reaction. Which reaction this is? Kolbe's electrolysis reaction. Kolbe electrolysis reaction. This is taken here like water molecule aqueous. This is CH3, CH2, COO, K, and like this structure also I given in your theory. So easy understanding purpose, this is one, this is CO2 eliminated, KOH eliminated. Next, which is eliminated? H2. On electrolysis, you will get here how many carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon mean butane form. CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. See, CH3, CH2. This is bond with this CH2, CH3. Total how many carbon? 4. Butane. Next, what is formed here? Plus CO2 plus NaOH plus H2. These are formed at anode. Anode means what is it? Positive electrode. These two are formed at cathode. Cathode means what is it? Negative electrode. Okay. Now read this option. N-hexane and CO2 are formed. Hexane means how many carbon? But here how many are there? 4. Then this is wrong. N-hexane, no need to read. This is also wrong. Then C. C, what is that? N-butane and CO2. N-butane is there. N means normal chain only there. N-butane and CO2 are formed at anode. Potassium hydroxide. Sorry, I wrote Ka. Here potassium is there. Potassium only will come. I forgot. Generally we are using sodium. That's why I wrote sodium. This is potassium in potassium hydroxide. Okay. So potassium hydroxide and hydrogen are formed at cathode. Then C option is correct. No need to read the D option because single answer correct is that means no need to waste your time. Here I explained D because your confusion I removed here. Here no need to go for D option. Now R mean alkyl group. CH, Z. Z's any one group. They mention here any group. COH. NaOH plus CaO. NaOH plus CaO. Heat symbol. RCH2 or CH2Z. It means for your easy understanding, it should be like this. Then you can understand this is Z. Okay. RCH2Z. It means here how many hydrogens are there? 1. Extra hydrogen came from this. So this is alkane part. Is fastest if Z is. How to know this is fastest? It means this reactant converted to this product fast when Z should be withdrawing group. This is little bit minus I effect. This is minus I effect. This is plus I effect with electron donor. Electron donor which one? Plus. Electron withdrawing or which one? Minus. So if which is there, then only it gives a fast. But you should know that RC double bond O minus Na plus NaOH and soda, it means CaO. This mixture is called soda lime. What do you call this is? Soda lime. Soda lime is which one? Decarboxylating agent. Then see, this is R, C double, R, this H will be here, then RH, NaCO, Na2CO3. Balanced or not check? Na, how many NAs are there? 2. Carbon, 2 oxygen plus 1 oxygen, 3 oxygen, 3 oxygen. Balanced, this H will be added here. Then here what is formed here? Alkane. But in this reaction mechanism is like this. RC double bond O minus. This is Na plus. Now when it is comes like this, this will be out. Then what is formed here? R minus plus C double bond O like this. Carbon dioxide formed. This is double bond here. carbon dioxide. Then what is the charge here? Negative. So this is carbon ion. On carbon negative charge is there, mean what is it called? Carbon ion. Carbon ions are stabilized by electron withdrawing group. Carbocations are stabilized by donor group. See, if it is here NO2 group is there, NO2 group, listen, negatively charged or positively charged, which one? Unstable. To stabilize it, what you have to do? Decrease its magnitude. How to decrease? By giving or by taking? Here what is there? Negative. Again we are giving electron, then negative charge, what happened? Then stability decrease. Then what you have to take? Take the electron. Then electron taking means electron density decrease. It means negative charge decrease. So if electron withdrawing group is there, its stability increase. Clear? Therefore when stability increase means donor group required or withdrawing group required? Withdrawing group. So which is more withdrawing in this? This is. So this reaction is fastest when electron withdrawing groups are present, because here which is formed? Carbon ion is formed in this reaction. Due to carbon ion intermediate form, therefore high electron withdrawing group is required to give the alkene as a fastest reaction. Okay. Now onwards I will read the question. Remaining questions I will give in the form of PDF. You can download in the description. Because if I write like this on board, maybe 2-3 questions only coming, then it is time taking process. So I will read the question, and remaining part of the question you can download and you can see. Now these questions are very important questions. These are based on this, many concepts are covered in alkane topic. Now on heating, next question is, I think this fourth question. So this question I will give in the description box too. You can download this. On heating, CH3COO Na, CH3COO Na. On heating with which one? Soda lime. Soda lime, what is the formula? NaOH plus calcium hydroxide. They mentioned soda lime word, but I wrote here formula. The gas evolved is, here options are given: C2H4, B CH4, C C2H6, D C2H4. So this C2H2, because both are same is there. Now C2H2. Now only I discuss about this decarboxylation. CH3COO Na plus NaOH on this calcium oxide heat symbol. Then what happened? This will be eliminate, H added to this. Then what is formed here? Methane. Then B option is correct. B option is correct. Next, which of the following pairs are used to prepare both methane? What we are using here? Some compound, and we are preparing which one? Methane and ethane. Ethane formula C2H6 in one step process. Like this, something reactant gives the methane, something reactant gives the ethane in one step. So they given here options are CH3MgI, CH3CH2COO and this is B option, CH3CH2I, then CH3COO Then C option is CH2, sorry, not CH2, CHBr2, CHBr2, CH3, CHBr2. D option is CH3I, CH3COO, Na. Now, in this, you don't know, I think first year student someone, but those are completed second year, then they know that this is Grignard reagent. CH3MgI, actually Grignard reagent represents like this RMgX. X may be chlorine, bromine, iodine, or may be any group. This is Grignard reagent. So whatever they given here, that is only right. CH3MgI. This is react with the water, then this will be form CH3, this is H plus OH minus. Clear? Then what will form? This H will be added to this one, this is converted into this, and MgIOH. Clear? This is, but this is which one? This decarboxylation. But this decarboxylation, now only I shown the mechanism. First what will form? Carbanion. This is the first step. Second step, alkane form. But they asked here in this question in single step. It may be formed single step, but this is not forming single step. That's why this is not answer. We want both are in single step. Clear? Then this is which one? CH3CH2I. This which one? CH3CONE. Now only I shown that this will give which one? Methane. But respectively mean first methane, next will be which one? Ethane. But here this is ethane forming, this is which one forming? Methane. So this is also not answer. Then this is not. This is CH3Br. See? CH, or we can write like this, H, Br, Br, C, H, Br, Br. If you use any one reagent, whatever may be zinc, so first time loss opposite like this, second time loss like this, then only it gives a alkyne, not alkane, not both are alkane only. So it gives alkyne, then this is also not answer. So this gives which one? Alkyne. That alkyne is which one? You can check in your alkyne chapter like this form. Next, anyway answer last one only. Then this is methyl iodide. Methyl iodide react with the zinc H plus, then direct one step, this is gives a CH4. This is now same this one, but this is where first step, this is giving which one? CH3, CH2, COO. Mean how many carbons are there? 3 carbon, 1 carbon less, mean you will get the ethane. This will give which one? Methane. So once I will check the question, I will read once again. Question number which one? Which of the following paste are used to prepare both methane and ethane in one step process? So D is not actually here, because in D what we are getting? Methane only getting. So maybe answer this one only, because there is no options are there here. Because this is also getting methane, this is also getting methane. So this is not answer. Answer is this one only. Unfortunately here maybe options wrong is there, that's why this is not D. So according to given option, the appropriate answer we have to choose, that is A only. Next, a mixture of ethyl iodide and methyl iodide is subjected to the Woods reaction. Which product will not be formed? Once again I am reading here. A mixture of ethyl iodide. Question number 6. Methyl iodide means this is methyl iodide and mixture of ethyl iodide. Ethyl iodide means what is it? This is CH2, CH3. Wood's reaction means compulsory what you have to use? Sodium. Subjected to Wood's reaction, then sodium is there here, dry ether will be there. Which product will not be formed? Not formed, which product? Not formed here given option A is ethane, B butane, C propane, and D pentane. See, already I told you in your notebook maybe this is 1 mole, this is 1 mole mean how many molecules are 1 mole? 6 into 10 power 23 molecule will be there. So itself also it may react CH3, I, Na and like this. Then what will be formed? This will be eliminated. CH3 mean what is that? Ethane. C2H6. So ethane form itself it may react to form which one? How many carbons are there? 1 carbon mean 2 times it is ethane form. Here how many carbon? 2 carbon mean 2 times. C4 mean butane. Butane can form. This is and this is combined. 2 plus 1, 3. Propane form. Then which is not formed? Pentane. So answer is pentane. Next. Question 7. Bromine CH2, 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 Br. How many CH2s are there? 3 CH2s are there. This is react with which one? Sodium in presence of dry ether or ether only, right? No problem. At 100 degrees Celsius. Then what is the product? Options are Br, CH2, CH double bond, CH2. Option B, CH2 double bond C double bond CH2. Cyclopropane. This cyclopropane. D, all. So you heard in lower board level like these reactions. Now sodium, here how many bromines are there? 1, 2. But sodium one time only we are taking. You can take 2 time in. This is separate, this is separate. Here 2 moles not given. Here 2 moles are given when we are writing here. This is 2. But here what is that? This is only given in the question. This is only given in the question mean I want to write this Na here for your understanding purpose. Then which is eliminated? NaBr. Then how many this is? 2. Then this is just linked with which one? End carbon. Then what will form? Cyclopropane. See, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Cyclic product form. That's why I told you that these are the only 30 questions. In this every concepts are involved. Every concept. So now first one is the Wood's reaction. Then how different alkyl halide is not giving this single which one? Even number carbon product. They are symmetrical product given, but that is not formed by with the single alkyl halide. Another one is what you call soda lime reaction. In that which group is present, then fast and what is the intermediate, like this every concepts are covering here. You have to note down this. 7 completed. Next one is which of the following on soda lime decarboxylation form N-pentane? See, here they given soda lime. Soda lime mean what is it? NaOH, CaO, like this. Then what they are giving here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many carbon? 5. What is the name of this one? N-pentane. So what is the reactant? What is the reactant? So you know that in soda lime, how many carbons are there here in this decarboxylation? Reactant having 2 carbon, but product having how many carbon? 1. So 1 carbon less product we are getting. 1 carbon less product. Here 5 are there. Mean here how many carbon required? Product is 1 carbon less. Mean reactant how many? 6 carbon. So 6 carbon carboxylic acid salt is the answer. So I will write here options are A, COONA, B, COO NaD. Can you tell which is the answer? First one having how many carbon count? 1, 2, 3, 4. No answer. Because here how many? 5. If it is 4 mean 1 carbon less mean 3 carbon mean that is propane we will get. But we want which one? Pentane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 5 is there. 1 carbon less mean what you will get? Butane you will get. So this is not answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If it is eliminated as a Na2CO3, then what is this? Straight chain. Then answer which one? C. Check D also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is there. 7 mean 1 carbon less mean what you will get? 6. So that is not answer. Then C option is correct. C option is correct. Next. Okay. Next question is 9th one. CH3 H gives KMnO4 mild condition gives A. What is A? What is that? A. Options are given here. CH3 H COOH. B CH3 double bond CH2. C CH3 OH. D CH3 C double bond O CH. Then this is direct equation from your textbook. Generally alkanes are very less reactive towards this K1O4, but those are having tertiary hydrogen. It means hydrogen bonded to tertiary carbon. They are oxidized to alcohol. Direct from the textbook. Same equation is there from your textbook. Then direct answer this is C. So somewhat directly theory based questions will be there. Next 10th. Which of the following is correct order of boiling point of N-pentane? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, isopentane 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and neopentane. Boiling point order they are asking. So I will write here option A, N-pentane, isopentane. Here in the question word given, I am writing a structure for easy understanding. And this is neopentane. How many carbons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Neopentane this is. Next B option is N-pentane, isopentane, and neopentane. Then C is N-pentane, isopentane, next neopentane. D option N-pentane, next isopentane, next is already maybe given N-pentane, isopentane. Here they given like this, and this is so symbols are very important, greater than, less than. Now you know that long chain having the higher boiling point, branched chain having the lower point. boiling point. Branches increase, surface area decreases, boiling